How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can improve your Snapchat camera quality. Well, basically it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now if you open up Snapchat, as you know, Snapchat camera is a bit blurry, right? Now there is a quick trick on how you can improve it. Now what you can do is you can enable the flash at the top right corner of your screen. You can see the flash, you want to enable it, and if you take a picture now, then the image will be a bit clearer than what you do it with flash. Now I'll just turn off this flash and I'll just take a quick picture here. Now this was out of focus, but if I just click a picture, it won't be much clear here. However, if I just enable a flash and if I just take a picture, it'll be much more clear and detailed. So this is one of the ways you can improve chat camera quality. Now the other ways to do so is there is no any particular option that you can increase the camera quality. In order to improve your picture quality, you can enhance your image by using filters and such, but there is no any actual way that you can improve the quality of your Snapchat camera. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.